to Intentionalista. My name's Judi. This is my sidekick Momo in a different sweater for today. Today's video is for those who understandably are not feeling the spirit of the holidays, maybe because they aren't able to see friends and family for Christmas due to lockdown 2.0, or maybe they're just consumed with the stresses of everyday life. Although we may not be able to gather this year, I think we can still make our environment work for us and make our own space warm and cozy to help uplift our spirits this year. With that being said, I wanted to share with you guys how you can make some simple but fun, sustainable Christmas decor at home. I thought it'd be fun to just do a little DIY project to help boost your mood, and also I know when I'm feeling stressed or down, doing something as simple as an art project can help take your mind off of your current stresses and you can just focus on your creativity. So for today, we will be making this, it looks like a mochi wreath, I've been told. This little puff cloud wreath that I've made just using things that I found around the house. So this holiday season, for people who are last minute decorating, or maybe the decor that you wanted is already out of stock, you can still find inspiration around your own home. Maybe there's things that you aren't using anymore that you can use to create something that just picks up your mood. It's so cute. I love it so much. This thing makes me so happy. All right, let's do it. All right, friends, so the first last minute sustainable Christmas decor that you can make with random things in your own home will be this Christmas wreath that I'm going to be using my leftover Sherpa blanket material that I use for my DIY Sherpa chair. All you'll be needing for this is either an old blanket, maybe a fluffy towel, whatever you have at home. I would suggest a longer piece of fabric so that this project is easier for you to create, but if you have smaller pieces, I'll show you guys how to attach that all together. Besides the fabric, you'll also need some elastic bands or rubber bands. It'll just be in the back of the wreath holding it together anyways, so you won't see it. So I wanted to use the white side, just like the photo from Etsy that I'm getting this inspiration from. So what we're going to do here is just create these little like spheres, if you will. That's why a fluffy towel or blanket would be ideal. So it kind of looks like a snowball. So you're just gonna take your elastic, make sure that there's enough fabric for it to go around. Ooh, so cute. So there's one snowball, or one part of the wreath. And then we're just going to keep going down along the fabric. Put a little more fabric in here. You can just adjust it as you go. Make it as fluffy and also as large as you want. Another idea, if you have a bunch of pieces of fabric that are all different, you can always like alternate the colors too. This could be one fabric, another kind of fabric, and then another one, and create whatever pattern you like, and then just connect them at the bottom with glue or through sewing. If I like puff it out a little bit like that. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh, so cute. Do you guys see the vision? Do you see it coming together? Yes, okay. I'm just gonna keep working my way around. Put these little puff balls here so you guys can see. I think I might cut off this part so that I can attach it and make the wreath longer. Just leaving enough so there is some in the back and this doesn't fall apart. Yes. See, so this is just really, really tiny. Oh my god, that's so cute. It looks like a bunch of mini little pandesals. So here's one end. We have the elastic on. I'm trying to put it underneath. Oh, you know what? Let me take this end and put it in this snowball here. So I'm going to lift up the original rubber band up here and just mix stuff-ins that into there. And then taking that rubber band, attaching it onto that main piece. Do y'all see that? Oh, love that. Maybe if I just trim this down a little bit, just so you don't see this part here. Definitely think I need to glue these parts together. Okay, one more. Okay, and then trim off this extra part here. Oh my gosh, this is just darling. Maybe I can bring this part up into this snowball. Okay. For the parts that are just kind of not as fluffed up, you can just take extra fabric, put it into your snowball. All I'm going to do is take one bottom end of the snowball and attach it to here. Why don't you guys want to stay together? Okay. Taking the thread through and then looping it through to make it secure. Okay, that wasn't so bad. A couple more times. Just double knot this, call it a day. Yes. Okay, so far this is what it's looking like from the top. I want to sew the bottoms to help it stand up. I don't know, because this is how this looks. I wonder if I should just sew all of these parts together. I might do that off camera since my battery is dying, but I'll do that and then I will reconvene when I have camera battery again. So BRB. Okay, I've changed venues due to the lighting, but I sewed the bottoms together and then some of the snowballs together on either side. So this is how the wreath is looking now. How cute! I love it. It's like a little pandesal. I just want to like grab a piece. So I also have this little dowel with ombre tassels. I don't know how else to call it. I think I'm just going to snip the blue parts out and then maybe include it on this wreath. And then I'm going to also repurpose the dowel and stabilize this wreath on the dowel so that it'll be easier for me to hang. I'm gonna take some of this white thread. Take my first string. It's going to loop it under the wreath and the dowel. Maybe double knot that. Okay, maybe I'll have... I'm only going to use 3 of the tassels and have them kind of at different levels. So they're staggered. That's cute. Okay, so how I did that was, I have this piece laying here. I just snipped off the top rope, looping it from behind, making sure it's at the length that I want, and then tying it off at the top. You guys, look at my little fluff cloud wreath. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I really love it, just minimal, simple, clean, and just all pretty much one color. Love it as is. My tips for this project, I know I was just bunching them up at the beginning, but to really create this full look, I definitely recommend stuffing each little snowball. It doesn't have to be the same material, so you know how I used my Sherpa blanket to make these snowballs. You don't have to stuff it with the same material. Maybe you have an old shirt that you're no longer wearing or you're about to throw into the trash anyways. You can use that material, just cut it up into the desired size that you want your snowball to be, ball it up, and then put it into each snowball. And I think that would be a great way to utilize your trash into creating something that's really cute. And I used pretty much one whole fabric and then attached another little piece. If you don't have a fabric that is that long, you can use individual pieces of fabric too, and you can have each one be a different color or alternating colors. And all you would do is, after you make one of these little snowballs here, you could just sew the back of it or use fabric glue, and then each one I would recommend in the back, like sewing the 2 sides of the snowball together. Wait, where is it good? You can't really see, everything's all blended together. It looks like Frankenstein from the back. It's gonna be in the back anyways, so it doesn't really matter. And is there anything else that I would do different? I've seen another one kind of similar to this, another puffball wreath, that they had wooden beads kind of wrapped around and tassels all in between. That's cute if you like the whole boho style. I just liked mine simple and just with the varying levels of the tassels, and I think it's perfect. And definitely I'm not hanging this up outside because I don't want it to get dirty. I was going to hang it up like the inside of the door, but I just want to admire it every day. So honestly, I think I'm gonna hang it up in my room on the room door, but yeah. I'm being selfish. I'm like, I worked hard on this, I want to keep it for myself. But it even looks cute here, but honestly, you guys saw how easily it fell down. I don't want this thing to smack me in the head while I'm sleeping. I mean, it's not that heavy anyways. But also, if you guys noticed over there, I use the same material to make these tiny little Christmas trees, so I'll show you guys how to make that in the next one. So I challenge you guys this holiday season, if you're still trying to decorate or you want an art project to help lift up your mood and just to do something fun, get your mind off of things, then definitely look around your house, see if you can make your own decorations first before trying to buy something. You'll save a whole lot of money. I mean, the inspiration for this wreath was like $225, and then the inspiration for those was about around $5 to $25 a pop. So all of this was for free, so definitely happy with that. But I think I will end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you decide to create any of your own projects, and happy holidays to everyone. See you in the next one. Bye.